Hi guys, so now I'm gonna play SpongeBob Escape. I don't even know if I'm... Hey you, I need help getting the secret formula from crabs. But first, make sure to donate please now. I don't even have Robux. No! Oh.
Welcome to so let me just join you all.
What's wrong with this?
Nah. There's a what there. I know.
Oh, oh, it's here. But you're bad at obbies. I'm so bad at obbies, bro. Now you ASMRing in my ear.
No, give a chat.
You ASMR.
Shut up.
Damn it. Darn it. A dead end. Look, use these bubbles to get to the other side. Already know. What the? Megan, stop! ASMR in my ear. Stop.
Si Blue Ivy.
Shut up.
Ay guys, nakasal guys.
Kaya naman ni Blue Ivy.
Tan.
Kaya naman ni Blue Ivy.
Tan.
Ha? Si Blue Ivy, dito sa mga siya na ba? Hanap pikin sa.
Beyonce. Ni Daisy.
Shut up. I know what to do.
Kisa man ang yes sa tabi.
Quick, jump on these patties.
Kalong sipa ka na.
Abay daw.
To get to the door over there.
Sipa ka na.
Okay, no bombs.
Sila man sila kabuk tibin. 3. Sure ka. Yeah, ka na pilalaki. Okay.
Pero ko duman.
Doon sa daw giting.
Kita na ko sila duha na TikTok.
What the?
That's what's amazing, bro.
Who's that?
Oh my god. What the shit?
Ay, may gold skin na.
Kasi Rose.
Oh no, we got eaten by the giant Krabby Patty. Is that even,
get for being fat.
is that even possible, Megan? Escape it and we will continue the crispy crab robbery. Bro. I'm sorry, SpongeBob, but I had to.
I don't care. Let's pick a number.
These.
9.
What the? I'm not really good at this. But...
Okay. Let's pick a number. 4. Yeah, 4. Lila, pick a number. 3. 2, there are 2. Pick a number again. Let's pick a number again. 9.
Bro.
3. Pick a number again. 4. 4.
What the?
2 times in a row. That's awesome. 4. 1. Because if you know, pick a number there. 6. 6.
Asan babay?
6! Pick a left. Pick a number.
8.
9. No. Ang hindi sa hadra. 5.
Who won?
Yeah, pick a number.
6 to 4.
Who won? Isa pa winner, Meg.
Ako.
Pick a number ka.
The whole picture. Nindot sa lera na hug pa jud ka. Lois di mo eh. Na-record dito ko diri. No, namatay ko. No, I died.
You're supposed to be scared.
What's your role? Oh, princess. Why is it princess?
Pick a number.
No, I don't want to pick. I don't want to pick one.
Pick a number.
I saw that flash across the.
Oh, sige.
8. Huh? How can you tell that? Again.
Is the sheriff dead?
3. 6.
Asa man ang isang
Again. Pick a number.
Oh.
7. 7. 0. Yay!
Told you I'm good.
8.
8. You know what is good?
1. Pick a number. 9. 5. Pick a number. 7.
Just about to stare.
3.
Papa na tao.
Pick a number. 5.
Oh, di ka po.
7. Pick a number. 10.
What the?
What? 10. 0. 3. Pick a number. 9. 9. 8.
Nice.
Pick a number. 9.
Ang tawag ko ani mo, buhat na lang ko ani.
0. Pick a number.
This person is sus right here.
Guys, looking your voice.
9. Pick a number.
Yes, we escaped the giant Krabby Patty and ended up in the office of
Stop playing with me. Hindi na ko ibalak na.
cut these wires
Uy, ang lagi kayo sa atin. Wala si Pagat ang number
to open that safe with a secret formula.
Hell no.
What should we cut though?
Cassie
Where?
can't be trusted. Cassie, you're
Money. The formula is not here. Let's get out of here and do a plan B. I don't even know how. You must be a liar, shadows carry quiet, morning time consequence, and I must be a god like you. God, at least I got
Pick
one.
a number.
9.
So pick a number.
4 or something? 4 or 5.
5.
Let's go 4 or 5.
Ate, pick a number. 9. 9.
It's from a crispy crab. It's SpongeBob. Get to his house. No. But evade the police.
All your saliva.
Bro.
Ew.
I hate speedruns. Looks so bad at speedruns.
Here's the wheel. How many times does it even slay? How many times it does slay? How many times money mag-iwan body? Body!
Pulse for me.
No.
Oh, body! How many times
There is a button
lollipop?
to open the door. Go find it.
Girly pops, girly
But make
pops,
sure
girly
to
pops.
avoid the poodles.
How many times PSS Zesty? 4.
Zesty.
Look, it's Zesty. How many times Addicted said
There's
Gorilla
someone
Zesty?
following me.
4. Gorilla Zesty, Gorilla Zesty, Gorilla Zesty, Gorilla Zesty. Every time somebody can say,
Oh, there is this.
There's a Baldi in here.
how many times somebody can say, I'm gay? 10
Nah.
times, you know. How many times somebody can say, I'm gay? 4.
Don't wake up. Shh, don't wake up, Gary.
How many times do I can say she's gay?
I think the
She's
formula
gay or
is
I'm gay?
here.
Yeah, you're gay. 4. I'm gay, I'm gay.
Go check it
I
out.
knew it. How many times do you can say gay?
Nice.
We're inside Gary. How to find that phone?
Bia, say what?
I'm gay.
Oh, it is zesty one? Oh. How many times
I'm not
do you
gay,
can say
bro. I'm not gay. I'm not gay, bro.
she's gay. You're gay! She's gay.
I'm not gay, bro.
Wala ka man, she's gay.
I'm not gay.
She's not saying about you, bro.
Okay, she's saying herself. Ew, Gary slime. Make sure to avoid it. What's someone zesty? What's zesty, te?
Juice.
Juice?
How many times Cassie can say educational?
So no.
3. How many times Lara could say? How many times I could say black? 9! Racist!
Does it mean it's American?
How many times you could say cutesy? 3 times.
Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy.
How many times Auntie could say nigger?
What the?
9 times. Shut up, Is she not? Is she